ODM leader Raila Odinga now wants political campaigns stopped, saying they are fueling animosity in the country. Odinga says continued politicking 2 years away from the next general election could plunge the country into a political crisis. And as Stephen Leto reports, ODM MPs and Tanga Tanga MPs are now engaging in a blame game over the Murang'a chaos.
Even before the dust settles and investigations concluded on who was behind the Sunday morning chaos in Murang'a, politicians are already treading accusations. ODM MPs now accusing their Tanga Tanga counterparts of resorting to politics of violence and hiding behind the church and condoning violence.
You cannot be the basis of violence in this country. You should not invite people who are coming to cause violence to the mosque, to the churches. Even God will not accept your prayers. Which God is that listens to violence, prayers in violence? Which God is that? It's not the God I worship myself.
The ODM MPs questioning the Deputy President's Hustler movement narrative, claiming it balkanizes the country into two, the haves and the have-nots.
It's just this kind of mobilization, this idea of calling youth and telling them that they are different from the rest of Kenyan, that they are the hustlers and others are dynasties. Who is a dynasty? I'm not a dynasty.
He talked about creating 1 million jobs for the people of this country. I want to believe he never talked about wheelbarrows to be part of those 1 million jobs. In any event, he has only bought 5 wheelbarrows and 5 mkokotenis.
As a country, we must wake up and see Ruto for what he is. Ruto is bitter, Ruto is angry. Ruto is entitled and Ruto is vengeful.
But pro-Ruto MPs dismiss their ODM counterparts and instead point an accusing finger at the Inspector General of Police Hilary Mutyambai for misusing his office.
And the people of the Mount Kenya region will not be herded like a sheep and taken to a certain political direction. Far from it. Anybody cheating himself or herself, that you can herd them like sheep and deliver them to somebody, you are cheating yourself.
There are people intent and people in government intent on balkanizing this country into tribal and ethnic conclaves, and particularly Central Kenya or the Mount Kenya region.
Ruto MPs crying foul that there is a plot to frustrate Ruto's bid.
We will go to any county because we are Kenyans who are guaranteed by our constitution that we need to travel freely without questioning.
Campaign bado na mtu asifikirie kwamba kuna maneno yoyote ya kufanya campaign. Sisi wakati ile campaign itaanza hapa kutawaka kivumbi.
ODM leader Raila Odinga warning that incidences such as what happened on Sunday in Murang'a set a bad precedent. In a statement to newsrooms, Odinga says, quote, "The spectre of violence and vandalism in the name of a presidential election that is over 2 years away should be a serious cause for concern to all peace-loving Kenyans. If this continues, and it easily can, it could spiral out of control." Odinga says, furthermore, the seeds of violence being planted now could easily follow us into that election with grave consequences. Odinga now appeals to the government to move with speed and fairly and firmly deal with the people behind the violence in Murang'a yesterday. That let us stop the early election campaigns, let's renounce the politics of violence and militarization of the youth as a means of achieving power. End quote. Stephen Leto, Citizen TV, Nairobi.